text sa akin, Mayor Benji, concern lang kami sa inyo, better to abandon it. Otherwise, kawawa ka lang. You will be subjected to a lot of character demolition. And it's happening. It's happening to us now. Pati sa ibang mayors for good governance, now we're facing, meron pa akong 5 kaso, na-dismiss ko na yung isa, meron pa akong 4. Anytime, I might be subjected to preventive suspension. What is happening now, not that I'm talking now, I know for a fact that there are eyes here. But am I going to abandon the crusade? No. We're not.
To be with you.
Why? Because if we're going to abandon it, we're not going to stop fighting, then it is as if we have abandoned and given up on the future of our children, the future of our grandchildren, and most importantly, on the survival of our nation. Kung sana ho, kung merong Philippine Part 1 o Philippine 1, Philippine 2, Philippine 3, iisa lang po ang Pilipinas po natin. A country worth dying for. I remember when we launched an attempted coup d'etat in 2006, I was asked to stand down and I said, "Sir, I'm willing to die for this country."
Yes.
Amen! Upperclassmen were sent to me and I said, "I'm willing to die for this country." It's just very unfortunate na nasurround kami, wala akong magawa. So instead of 1,000 people going to jail for the special action force, including my boss, General Sir Bong Franco, I went to Kamkran and I said, kasalanan ko lahat. So 3 na lang ko kaming nakulong instead of 1,000 people. Take ownership. What is our vision? What is our vision? Our vision is to have a nation led by leaders who do not manipulate, but inspire. Leaders who do not lead by coercion, but by compassion, either character and competence. Leaders who do not amass wealth or hoard wealth, but uplift and empower communities, especially our young people. And most especially, a nation led by leaders who do not lead by greed, but those who serve and lead honor. That's precisely the underlying principles of good governance. Good governance is not only about fighting corruption. It's about empowerment, inclusivity, rule of law, respect for human rights. It's not a politics of hate, but a politics of encouragement and mutual understanding. It's not a politics of criticism, but a politics of encouragement, but a politics of lies, but a politics of truth. That's the kind of society and nation that we envision. And how do we do it? In the city of Baguio, how do I do it? I have to lead by example. Everything starts with me as a leader. And I have to be consistent, first term, second term, third term, consistently adhering to the principles of good governance. And that's the only legacy that I can pass on to the next generation. Please, take note of these words, and I would like to share it with you. Words of Peter Obi, a Nigerian philanthropist, when he said, when those in government are richer than, when politics is more profitable than industries, when those in government are richer than businessmen and entrepreneurs, then that country will never progress because it manufactures poverty. Next slide, please. Words behind it. When he said, when you see corruption being rewarded, and honesty is a self-sacrifice, then you know that country or society is doomed. Look around us. Look around us. The corruption, the billions of pesos that are being lost. Kaya nga sabi ng isang mayor, they're no longer, my colleagues are no longer using a very young politician, a group of very young politicians. Mayor, some of our colleagues are no longer using cash gold. First, di ko nakuha agad. Then finally said, kasi hindi nila may bangko sa laki ng pera, kasi billions na. So what they are using are room vaults, buying expensive condo units, 4-bedroom, 3-bedroom, converting one, redesigning it for it to be able to hold cash. 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 We're not going to act now. Society is moving. So, we are presenting, there's no substitute to good governance. Think, meron pa bang substitute to good governance? So we are now translating it or transforming it into a call to action. Good governance. Get yourself involved. Get yourself involved. Where do you start? Kanino mag-i-start? Each and every one of you. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Love you!